Hi, I'm Bill Swanson, President of Tri-County Air Conditioning and Heating, and I'm excited to introduce this new revolutionary technology that will improve the quality of the air in your home and ultimately the health of your family. Please watch the following video to learn more about the REME Halo LED.
Welcome to the evolution of clean air. Introducing the first whole home in-duct LED air purification system. The all-new Halo LED verified zero ozone by ETL Entertech with REME LED technology, a proprietary patent-pending replaceable low-energy, ultra-long-life LED array with an up to 5-year cell replacement. For energy savings and to extend the life of the cell, the unit turns on and off with the HVAC blower. The Halo LED proactively purifies every cubic inch of air-conditioned space, clearing your home of airborne and surface contaminants. The Halo LED easily installs into your existing HVAC system. When the blower turns on, it activates the unit, producing ionized hydroperoxide molecules that are distributed into the entire airspace of your home, not just one room. Every time a hydroperoxide molecule comes into contact with contaminants, it quickly breaks down and destroys them, restoring the air to its clean, natural state. The system also uses positive and negative ions to charge the air, causing dust, dander, pollen, and other particulates to stick together, making your existing air filter equipment more efficient at capturing these particles. And with its revolutionary ultra-long-life UV LED technology, the Halo LED will purify the air you breathe for years to come. Welcome to the evolution of clean air with the Halo LED, the first whole home in-duct LED air purification system featuring these product firsts. First product ever validated ozone-free by ETL. First of its kind mercury-free in-duct air purifier that completely eliminates mercury disposal into the environment. And first to market energy-saving on-off cycling ability. The Halo LED is powered by REME LED technology, a proprietary field-replaceable patent-pending low-energy ultra-long-life LED array with an industry-leading up to 5-year cell replacement. And its unique unlimited cycling capability is designed to turn on and off with the HVAC blower without causing any detrimental effects to the light source, unlike conventional UV lamps, which must continuously remain on. Additional features of the all-new Halo LED include zinc-enhanced hybrid hydrophilic catalysts, patented PHI cell and REME catalyst technologies to release active hydroperoxides into the air, a unique washable ceramic catalyst that destroys VOCs 2 times faster and also allows for installation in high smoke and particulate environments, and RGF's patent-pending automatic self-cleaning bipolar ionization system. This system features high-output bipolar ionizers that charge the air with negative and positive ions which reduce airborne particulates, and completely integrated multi-tip carbon fiber brushes which automatically self-clean, making them completely maintenance-free. By combining REME LED technology with RGF's proven PHI cell technology, the all-new Halo LED provides the most advanced in-duct whole home air purification on the market today.